Governor Peter Mba, do you think for you to give Fulani land in Enugu State, do you think that it will bring peace in Enugu State? Enugu State will be on fire than Imo State. Imo State will be better than Enugu State. In actually cause trouble that all the Igbos will not be happy with you, and all the Igbos will not be happy with those people that you give that land. You want to bring trouble. It already cause trouble that can never stop in Igbo land. Governor Peter Mba, achọ m ịgwa gị, akwa ifulu ihe anyị na-eme n'Enugu, plan anyị na-akpa. Anyị achọrọ ịnwa one day all this land niile. You said that you want to build estate, blah blah blah. Anyị achọkwala ịnụ na wee mechazie ọbụna na ahụ bụ ana ndị Fulani ga-ebizi na ya. Anyị achọkwa ịnụ ihe a n'Enugu State. We don't want to hear this kind of thing in Enugu State. The other land that you want to give Fulanis, the villagers said no, that they don't need it. And I don't know whether you want to use another plan to enter. But Governor Peter Mba, this message will sound like a warning to you. Don't ever try in your life soon in a walk that Fulani Anna in Enugu State. Because if you try it, you have set a fire. You have caused trouble that will never stop in Igbo land forever. If you try it, mana na ọgbaghara na-achị itinye n'Enugu State, ọgbaghara ga-adụgide ịnwụọ, ụmụ ga-anwụọ, ụmụ ga-anwụọ, ọ ga-adụ generation to generation. You want to bring Enugu State ka ha nọrọ on bondage forever. You want to ensure ka ndị Igbo nọ na slave forever and ever. Ọ bụ na enwa wele this your land, wele this land there nye ndị Fulanis. You want to ịchọ ka itinye Enugu, ịchọ ka itinye ndị Igbo niile na bondage ha ga-apụta zapụta. Ọ bụrụ because of 4 years ka ị na-achị now. Echa 4 years o nwere ike echikwa another one or 8 years. 8 years ka ị ga-eji wele tinye ndị Igbo na nsogbu ha ga-apụta apụ from generation to generation. Governor Peter Mba, don't ever try to do this thing in Achime. I don't really know whether you are Igbo, so I don't really know what is happening to you. Even though who give you the authority, who can give you the boldness, who kebis wanted that authority? Who are you, the owner of the land? Are you the owner of the land? Kedi hene megeme ime pudono gona west ni na chinye de fana. Ana azwefi. Ana agugo na Sabusa Forest. Ana agugo na Ugwausa. Governor Peter Mba, don't ever try to eat in your Igbo land. Don't ever try to do it, because if you try it, cause abumonu gesogo slow your generation. Or get slow your generation, because trouble in our cheating. If you try it, all obalanine all fulumbona no go Biafra. Obalanine our ancestors, our fathers say, Bambokai, Bulundu, Welonfe, in our cheating another bondage. Obalanine anga fight your generation, or get clear your generation if you try it. And any governor, Governor Soludo, Governor Alice, Governor Hope Uzodima, Governor Francis, and Governor Peter Mba, any of you. Wala wenye Fulanyana akwiflo brani ndo our fathers so fulumbona anogo, we will wipe your generation out of this land, because on na cheating another more trouble that will never stop in Igbo land. You people should be careful. Be careful. You people should not use because of polish and they sell your birthright. Your birthright. Because of polish, because of office. Now, can go on. Listen, Ndaji we choka hanyan Fulanyana. Now all the Nigerians, both most especially in Igbo land. Let me cut it short. Number one, how the agenda can be boni ne bondo gana pisiana. Iso na their religion. Number one. Number two, he had we choka hanyan Fulanyana all the Igbo land and all the Nigerians. Is for them. Kayenwa undi bohara is separate ourselves from Nigeria. Now listen to me. Obrona or succeed the NFA now hand on Enugu. In next 50 years, 100 years, a Fulani man can be the governor of Enugu State. Oga put a election because Habilize Bahan Umufagana Bana no money. They I get mixed together. Umufage Binizina know our children. I name mixed together and all of us we are one Nigerian gang, blah blah blah. we are missing together, and ha na plan on the agenda. So in next 100 years, one man will stand up from that place. So now I'm governor of Enugu State. We come election. We come election. We go win that election. We go last or fourth. They will bring it now about first, because in Nigeria, auto vote and do politician sign age and I na confirm when you got no garage. Some governors now in Nigeria, auto vote, hage lose, man, hage work hatino because of my power. So this is what will happen from that praise. Imezika umunna ibundega bisana. Ihe abuye game infusion. If abuye game infusion, man ha choka ha lay their foundation. And the chinine I snatch Biafra. Oh, Miss Guy together with Franis, we cannot separate ourselves again. Ndi Bagaze ask I separate ourselves from Biafra. In Eke Biafra, and Friend no Budani, Nola, Nose, Aba, Hose, the Setaba, Hose, the village, and how was one. Gehane separates ourselves from Nigeria. So Haji plan, and the plan now also na this place Kapanas. No, plan has from United Kingdom. Because Kemba and Luga. If you get the United Kingdom, into Britain condemn, they're not they do not condemn it, but they are in support of Luga. Man had done in support of Biafra, had done in support of Oduduwa, but they are in support of Luga. So this plan now brought also do Nigerian politicians, but also from the colonized this country called Nigeria. I wish na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu normally arrest. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would have exposed this governor called Governor Arrest. I don't know why this man Jiwele the authority, where the college to come outside. Iwele na ndị Enugu nyende Fulani ojobulu onwe ejimohela wee na-akpọ all the Igbos, both Igbo, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi State, Abia, ebe ọbụla isi biko nụ ka anyị neba anya ihe anya ọfụma, ka a ghara ikwe ka any governor in this east were any single land were ndị Fulani, most especially nke governor of Enugu State ya oyiri ndị Igbo niile ka anya anyị do ebe this man nọ ka ọ ghara inwe anwame ife a, and the ministers of God, all the Christians, and the tradition. Let us stand up for this evil nwoke a na-achị ime n'Enugu State. Biko dịka ị gachara this message, make sure that you share this message to others. Ọ bụ na ị nwere onye Enugu ịma, kpọọ ya na phone jụọ ihe a na-ekwu maka ya. Ọ bụla lumu, what I'm saying is truth. Mana Chineke ga-anapụta anyị n'aka ndị governors a na-achị anyị ọchịchị nchigbu. Chineke ga-emere anyị ebere. Daalụ. Make sure that you share this message. Thank you and God bless you.